If your Hisense TV won't connect to Wi-Fi, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially when all you want to do is stream your favorite shows or download apps. In this video, you'll learn why this happens and how you can fix it. Step 1. Basic troubleshooting. Before diving into advanced steps, start with the basics. First, check that your Wi-Fi network is working by connecting another device like your phone or laptop. Then make sure you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password on the TV. A typo or changed password is a surprisingly common reason for connection failure. Also, power cycling both your TV and your router, unplugging them for about 30 seconds and then restarting, often clears temporary glitches and can restore connectivity. Step 2. Router and signal tips. If basic steps don't help, it's worth examining your router and signal setup. Ensure your router's 2.4 GHz band is enabled, as some older Hisense models can't connect to 5 GHz networks. If your TV is far from the router, try moving them closer together or reducing obstacles between them. You might also want to check your router settings for things like MAC filtering, which could block your TV from fully accessing the network even if it appears connected. Step 3. Update firmware. Outdated firmware on your Hisense TV can also cause Wi-Fi problems. Manufacturers regularly release software updates that fix bugs and improve performance, including network reliability. If your TV has an option to check for system or firmware updates in its settings menu, try updating it while connected using another method or after temporarily fixing your connection. Keeping firmware up to date can resolve a surprising number of connectivity issues. Step 4. Advanced fixes. When standard methods don't work, there are more advanced troubleshooting options you can try. Resetting just the TV's network settings or performing a full factory reset of the TV can clear corrupted data and restore proper Wi-Fi function. In network settings, you can also try manually configuring DNS settings, which can sometimes improve connectivity. If these steps still fail, trying a wired Ethernet connection can help determine whether the problem lies with the Wi-Fi module itself. If none of the troubleshooting ideas resolve the issue, your TV's built-in Wi-Fi hardware could be faulty. In that case, reaching out to Hisense customer support or a professional technician is a good next step. Support teams can offer model-specific guidance and walk you through any additional diagnostics or warranty options that might apply.